Hey guys, it's Irish again. In this video, I was going to make a quick video about how to enable the ILoveCandy in Pac-Man, and also how to put in a unofficial key so that you can sign your own keys, or if you have a package that for whatever reason is now unofficial, you can get it updated. So I will show you how to do the ILoveCandy first. So let's open up a terminal, and I have a alias for this, but you want to go to your pacman.conf. So we're just going to type this in, and then you want to go down to see miscellaneous options right here. So you want to get rid of the color, and then all you want to do is say capital I-L love candy, and then you exit and save. And now if you sync, as you can see, there's a little Pac-Man character eating up the pellets like in the game. So instead of having pound symbols on there, so I find that it's a neat little thing, because Pac-Man, the game, stuff like that. So the second thing, I was going to show you this first. So I up here shows that I have a package that's slated for updating for one of my AUR packages. So I use pack AUR. So what this program does, it will sync all of the repos, and then it will also find out if there's any packages from the AUR that needs updating. So as you can see, MUT sidebar needs updating. So if I hit yes, and then as you can see, it errors out saying one or more PGP signatures could not be verified. So this is the unknown public key right here. So this is what we're going to add so I can get the MUT sidebar updated. So if we go to the Arch Wiki and then adding unofficial keys, what we're going to do is just follow this right here. So what we're going to do is we'll just open it up right next to it. Scroll down a little bit, and then we'll do this. I believe you need sudo for this, pacman-key-r. And now if we go back to this one, we'll just highlight this and then come here over here. This should autosave. Yep. So we're just going to click and then put in your password. So as you can see, it says the creator of the public key, Kevin J. McCarthy, and it has been imported. So the next thing that we need to do is also to verify the fingerprint. So we're gonna, same thing, instead of a -R, we're gonna do a -F for, I'm assuming, fingerprint, and then you do that. And then the last thing we'll need to do is sign for it locally. So one last time, so instead of the -F, we're doing 2 dashes and then local sign -key, and then the key that you have. So you're going to hit enter. So now let's try to update this again. Pack AUR-SYU, and then as you can see, that the thing is still there, so we're going to hit yes. So it did fail again, so what we're going to do is refresh the keys. So you're just going to do sudo pacman-key and then space -- refresh. So this is going to refresh all the packages So not just the one that we entered, but all of them. So this could take a little bit. For those who don't know what the MUT sidebar looks like, let's go to an empty one. It's actually kind of cool. So instead of MUT, who just has this, it has what like you would see in an online like Gmail or Yahoo, where you have your folders and stuff like that over here. So you can just go and then open, and then it will open up. So I prefer the MUT sidebar over the regular MUT. So let's see if this thing is, so yeah. So I did this before and it said it had 84, so now it shows that it has 85. And then as you can see, that's the key right here that we needed. So if we do another pack-AUR, hit yes. So as you can see, that what we did before did not work. So if adding the key into the rest of the keys doesn't work, I would suggest going over to the AUR side of the web page, and then normally if you're getting that kind of error message, then it usually will have the solution. So what this guy TSU Flux suggests is just putting this in. So we're gonna highlight, copy, and then instead of the obviously key ID, do that, and then insert, and then we'll just see if this will work. I will get back to you when this is done. Okay, so after implementing the proposed solution, let's try this one more time. Hit yes. And it seems to have worked. So I would probably suggest trying to do it the way that I showed you, and that how the Pac-Man shows it also. But if you guys still have any issues with it, I would suggest going to the AUR package like so, and then it could have a solution that could work or could not work. Sometimes they do work, sometimes they don't. So let's see if this is finishing up. So then so it does look like it worked. So it just automatically installed and updated the latest MUT sidebar. So that is all I have for this video. Next video, I'm going to go back and redo one of my old videos. It was on DNS crypt and DNS mask. In that video I showed you how to set those up. However, I didn't really set those up. So I finally got those to work. So in the next video I'm going to do that, and then the next video after that I'm going to show you guys how to set up WeChat similar to what I have, or however you guys want. So I will see you in the next videos.